Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. In today's brand new video, I'll show you how to build your own e-commerce empire and earn $2,991. I'll show you my evidence. Now, sign up for this one e-commerce website that is completely free to use, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. So you'll be able to learn how to build your own e-commerce empire for free. So we won't have to pay for Shopify, Wix, or any of the other platforms. This is completely free for life. Local businesses can charge thousands of dollars to create these types of websites and sell them to people like you and me. Now I'm going to show you how to get around this and do it for free. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. So, as I've previously stated, we will not be using Shopify. Shopify is $20 per month. We can save that money by not using Wix. We will save that money. It's also about $50 per month, which is a waste of money. I'm going to show you a couple of platforms where we can use and build our own e-commerce empire for free. Before I show you that, I'd like to explain what I mean by an e-commerce empire, so you can get a sense of what I'm talking about. Take a look at this site called PC Link Computers and Wootware. These businesses sell computer components. They don't actually keep these products in stock. Instead, they outsource them through suppliers. And when they receive an order, it is automatically routed to the supplier. And then they just keep the entire profit or markup in the middle. It's literally a free business where you can make free profits. It's truly incredible. Furthermore, all of these products are imported with the click of a button. You don't have to add them all at once like Shopify or Wix or something like that, and typing the heading, adding all the images. There's a little plugin or secret tool that I'm going to show you how to install for free on your website. All of these products can be imported from AliExpress, eBay, and Amazon with the click of a button. The platform that we are going to be using is WooCommerce.com. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this if you've dabbled in WordPress before. The WooCommerce plugin allows you to use WordPress to create an e-commerce store. It converts the basic WordPress operating system into a fully functional e-commerce store. WooCommerce makes it simple and inexpensive to sell any product or service on your website. It enables you to sell digital and physical products, accept secure payments, manage inventory, and automatically sort all of your taxes. Most importantly, because WordPress.com is owned by the same company, Automatic, WooCommerce integrates seamlessly. The main reason WooCommerce is so popular is because of its connection to WordPress. WooCommerce also has thousands of paid and free themes, as well as thousands of plugins that allow you to expand the functionality of your store. Here are a few more reasons why WooCommerce is a popular way to create an online store. WooCommerce and WordPress are both free. WooCommerce is open source, which means that any developer can audit, modify, or extend the code. WooCommerce is user-friendly, and you don't need to be a seasoned developer to set up a shop. WooCommerce is adaptable, as you can add all kinds of functionality through plugins. No coding skills are required. WooCommerce is responsive and works well on all devices, and WooCommerce is secure. As you can see, WooCommerce is the best option for creating a secure, flexible online store in WordPress. It's also worth noting that you can get a lot done with WooCommerce for free. All you need is a domain name and web hosting. What products can you sell using WooCommerce? WooCommerce enables you to sell anything on the internet. It is widely used to sell physical products such as beard oils, jewelry, clothing, coffee, and many others. WooCommerce can also be used to sell digital products, make bookings, appointments, and reservations, and provide services. For instance, if you own a beach hotel, you can use WooCommerce to allow customers to reserve rooms and pay for the booking fee. As a result, WooCommerce is your best bet if you want to sell anything online and accept payments. There are numerous benefits to using WooCommerce. Here are some of the advantages you will enjoy. WooCommerce is installed in the same way that any other plugin is. It is available for free download from the WordPress plugin directory, which can be accessed through the WordPress admin. Once the plugin has been installed, follow the wizard's instructions. The wizards will guide you through a series of questions to help you configure your online store. The theme you select will be in charge of the design of your store. Following the installation wizard is the same process for installing a theme. WooCommerce comes preloaded with all of the features you'll need to run a successful online store. Here are a few examples of these features. It allows you to sell any product or service, add product attributes, tags, and categories, add product reviews to your products. Visitors to your store can filter products by type of product, star rating, overall popularity, and more. It allows you to integrate multiple payment providers like PayPal, Stripe, and credit cards. It is very easy to customize the layout using themes, and it allows you to extend the functionality of your store. Plugins and extensions can also be used to improve the functionality of your WooCommerce store. There are both free and paid plugins available. This means you can tailor your online store to meet your specific requirements. WooCommerce's website hosts a plethora of official plugins. You will be able to access store management features, payment options, marketing tools, shipping tools, and much more from this page. You can also look through the WordPress plugin repository for more WooCommerce compatible plugins. The checkout process is critical in any WooCommerce store because visitors frequently abandon their carts during the checkout process. As a result, this section must be well designed in order to make the process as seamless as possible. When customers visit your store, they will be able to see how the item looks and functions before making a purchase. Visitors look over the image, description, and possibly a product video. WooCommerce allows you to customize each product listing so that customers have all of the information they need to make an informed purchase. WooCommerce, as previously stated, is a WordPress plugin. As a result, you must first install and configure WordPress. First, you'll need to invest in good WordPress hosting to power your store and make it available to the rest of the world. The domain name is the permanent internet address of the store, such as www.example.com. You'll need to install the WordPress software after you've chosen the best WooCommerce hosting provider. Most hosting companies, such as Bluehost, make it simple to install WordPress. Some even offer to install the software for you. The software can be downloaded from the WordPress repository. Because WooCommerce is a free plugin, it is very simple to set up. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for WooCommerce. To enable WooCommerce on your site, click Install Now and then Activate. Allow the wizard to guide you through the process of configuring all the fundamentals, such as preferred payment methods. The following step is to select the best WooCommerce theme. We strongly advise you to use Astra theme, which is fast, highly customizable, and lightweight. This theme is used on over 1 million websites and has received over 4,700 5-star ratings on WordPress.org. This theme includes performance-optimized code to ensure quick loading times. You can view the Astra Pro theme's pricing here. You can also get unlimited access to Skilljet for free by purchasing the Astra Growth Bundle. WooCommerce comes with a plethora of plugins. Plugins allow you to add new features to your store. WooCommerce is a plugin that adds e-commerce functionality to the core WordPress software. There are some must-have WooCommerce plugins to optimize your store if you want it to be truly successful. Here are a few plugins we recommend. The Cart Flows plugin can assist you in creating a more conversion-optimized checkout page. This, in turn, contributes to higher conversion rates and revenue per order. The checkout page of your store is determined by your theme, and not all of them are optimized for WooCommerce conversion. The plugin is free, but there is a Cart Flows Pro version available for $209. Cart Flows allows you to design your own checkout process, complete with tried-and-true funnel tactics like order bumps and upsells. This plugin does not require any technical knowledge to use because it allows you to design your pages using a page builder plugin such as Elementor. Sendinblue offers contact lists, newsletters, contact forms, marketing automation, emails, and statistics to your store. It's a one-stop shop for email marketing plugins. This plugin has a free version as well as a premium version that costs $25 per month. It has a simple drag-and-drop editor for creating subscription or email sign-up forms. This plugin can also be used to manage contact lists. Yoast SEO is one of the most effective SEO plugins for your WooCommerce store. This plugin will aid in the optimization of your store. Yoast makes it simple to add SEO titles and descriptions to your WooCommerce store's posts and pages. It can also be used to insert Open Graph metadata. Open Graph meta tags are code snippets that control how content is displayed when it is shared on social media. This plugin's premium version costs $89 per year. To summarize, WooCommerce is your best bet if you want to create a versatile and dependable e-commerce store. It is powered by the open-source WordPress software, which is used by many of the world's most popular websites. WooCommerce is quick and powerful, and the majority of its features are free. Premium or third-party plugins can optionally be used to increase their power. To supercharge your store, we recommend using the Astra theme and the Cart Flows plugin. Astra assists you in creating a more visually appealing store and conversion-optimized checkout pages. Cart Flows assists you in creating sales and decreasing losses through checkout optimization and other techniques. All of these elements work together to provide the ultimate e-commerce solution. Much of it is completely free. Those premium options are just that, options, but each one provides quick returns on investment. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.